Kia Motors has announced the launch of the all-new 2024 Kia K3 Fastback compact sedan in Mexico. Comes with a choice of 1.6-litre and 2.0-litre powertrains. In terms of design, the Kia K3 comes in a chic 4-door style with a sloping fastback style. The front retains the concept of a Korean car with a long slender tiger nose front grille, flanked by swing-back headlights that match the DRL lights perfectly. The bottom part will come with a large black air intake. The new Kia K3 sides have stylish black wheel arches. The door panels are set to be adorned with sleek black stripes. A touch of elegance is added with chrome lines along the lower window frames that stretch back to the rear C-pillar. The rear roof is uniquely designed in a sloping fastback style, making it a noticeable and attractive feature. It comes with a set of LED tail lights connected by a glow bar. In terms of dimensions, the Kia K3 is 4,545 mm long, 1,765 mm wide, 1,475 mm tall, and has a wheelbase of 2,670 mm. Inside the cabin, you will find a clean and minimalist design. The dashboard features a 2-spoke steering wheel reminiscent of the EV6 model, accompanied by a curved display that combines an information screen and morning phone display. This 10.25-inch screen is positioned in a floating style and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. The interior is enhanced with dual-zone automatic climate control, a 64-color ambient lighting system, rear air vents, and USB-C charging ports both in the front and back. Furthermore, the front seats are equipped with healing functionality and there's also a heated steering wheel. The Kia K3 GT line design prioritizes spaciousness, leading to a generous rear luggage compartment with a capacity of up to 544 liters. When it comes to safety features, despite being a compact car, Kia has you fully covered. The range includes 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ABS, automatic emergency braking and warning systems, blind spot monitoring, rear collision warning, and lane keeping assistance system. In terms of power, the Kia K3 will be offered with 2 engine options. It is powered by a 1.6-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 121 horsepower. The transmission is available in either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. 2.0-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 150 horsepower, powered by a 6-speed automatic transmission with shift paddles in the K3 GT line model.